Today's November 12th, 2020. It's freaking cold out here. It's probably in the 20s. Everything's frozen over. But anyway, today I'm going to go get a senior food box and see what's in it. Do a unboxing or whatever it's called. Put it on YouTube maybe. But we'll see what we get. It's about 8:45 and I'm going to start up my vehicle. It's been about 15 minutes, so that looks a lot better than what it was. I didn't have to scrape or anything. Just turned it on and let it sit there for about 10 or 15 minutes. So let's go see what they give. This is where they give out the food boxes. I'm going to be in the senior row. I think it's the shortest one. So I'm going to have to get over here and turn around and see what happens. That's what it looks like. I don't know if they start giving out food boxes or not, but there's probably, let's say, probably about 15 cars here right now. It's 9:22. I haven't adjusted my clock yet. That's what I need to do right now. And this is the senior line. There's only 3 of us here, and in the other line there's probably 10 or 12 cars on that one. So this is a place. See how it goes. Okay, one of my followers on YouTube wanted me to do an unboxing, and this is what you get for a senior. I'm a senior now. I just turned 61 a couple days ago, and this is what they give out. Basically every box is the same. Okay, there's a donut. Oh. 2 donuts, 2 apples, and some cheese right here. We got some what's it called? Processed cheese. It's pasteurized, kind of like Velveeta, but it's government cheese, and 2 apples, 2 donuts, and the boxes are basically the same. You can get this every week if you're a senior, and they give you some instructions how to cook your meals and different things like that. Okay, we got 2 things of macaroni. Let's probably go with the cheese. And 2 boxes of cereal. This right here, we got chili with no beans. And we got 2 boxes of cereal, 2 milks, some raisins, white chicken, can of chicken. We got a couple cans of that. Oh, let's see what else we got there. We have a thing of orange juice in the bottom. And spaghetti sauce. Maybe I'll go with that. Spaghetti sauce. Pears. Diced tomatoes. Pinto beans. This is just some of the stuff that people donate. Diced tomatoes. Sliced pears. Pinto beans. Whoop. And I think we've got 2 more cans left. Diced tomatoes and diced tomatoes. So that's what you get in a senior's box. You get cereal, milk, orange juice, 2 boxes of macaroni, some chili with no beans, probably about 6 cans of diced tomatoes, some pinto beans, and some sliced pears, some raisins, some cheese, some donuts, and a couple apples. So really, honestly, that's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased. I'm pretty happy. You know, you can get that every week if you're a senior, and the boxes are pretty easy. Just go up there and they have your name on the list, and you don't have to sign for it or whatever, because my name's already on the list. You just tell them who you are, and they put it in your pickup and stuff like that in the back seat, and off you go. So really, they're taking pretty good care of people now, you know, for the food and stuff. And this right here would probably cost, if you had to buy it, I'd say 40 or 50 bucks, you know, so that's pretty good for 1 week. That's not too bad. Well, thanks for watching. Well, this is just a PS. The cereal was shredded wheat, bite-sized shredded wheat, pretty good stuff. And I don't know if you can see that or not. It's for November 2020. So all the boxes are basically the same for everybody. Thanks for watching and subscribe.